Have you ever felt a strange discomfort in your lower abdomen, a sense of weakness in your core, or even slight bladder leaks when you sneeze or laugh too hard? If so, you're not alone. And the good news is, there's something simple you can do about it. Strengthening your pelvic muscles might not sound exciting, but these small, often ignored muscles play a massive role in your everyday life, from posture to bladder control to intimacy. And today, we're diving into the 6 best exercises that can strengthen them safely and effectively. Let's get started. First up, Kegels. You've probably heard of them, but are you doing them right? Imagine you're trying to stop the flow of urine midstream. That gentle squeeze, that's your pelvic floor at work. To do a Kegel, sit or lie down, relax your body, and squeeze those muscles like you're lifting them up and in. Hold for 5 seconds, and gently release. Try doing this 10 times in a row, 3 times a day. It's discreet. You can even do it while watching this video, but remember, don't hold your breath and don't engage your glutes or thighs. The movement is small, but the impact is powerful. Second, we've got the bridge pose. It's simple, but oh so effective. Lie on your back with knees bent, feet flat on the floor, arms by your sides. Now, inhale. And as you exhale, lift your hips off the floor, squeezing your glutes and pelvic muscles together. Hold for 3 to 5 seconds, then lower down slowly. Repeat this 10 to 15 times. Not only does this strengthen the pelvic floor, but it also tones your lower back and glutes. It's especially great for people who sit a lot or have weak core support. Next, pelvic tilts. This one's a favorite for beginners. Start by lying on your back again, knees bent, feet flat. Take a deep breath in. As you exhale, press your lower back into the floor by tilting your pelvis up just slightly. You'll feel your abdominal and pelvic muscles gently engage. Hold for a few seconds, and release. Repeat for about 10 reps. It's subtle, but if you stay consistent, it rewires your body to support better pelvic alignment. Now let's move into a little more action with squats. Stand with feet shoulder width apart. Inhale as you slowly lower into a squat. Keep your chest up, back straight. As you push back up, exhale and gently engage your pelvic floor, like lifting it upward. This combo not only works your thighs and glutes, but gives your pelvic floor a functional workout. So you'll want to start with 8 to 10 reps and, add more as you feel stronger. And hey, use a chair for support if you need it. Safety first. Number 5, the bird dog. Don't worry, no barking involved. Just get on all fours with your hands under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Now extend your right arm forward and your left leg back. Feel that balance challenge? That's your core and pelvic floor working together. Hold for 3 seconds, then switch sides. Repeat 10 times, and remember, keep your hips steady. Don't wobble. This one's amazing for building coordination and activating deep, stabilizing muscles, including the pelvic floor. And finally, a gentle finisher, the butterfly stretch. Sit tall, bring the soles of your feet together, let your knees fall open. Hold your ankles and breathe deeply. With each breath, imagine your pelvic muscles softening, releasing. This isn't a strengthening move, it's a relaxation one. And that matters too. A strong pelvic floor is good, but a tight, overworked one? That can cause pain. Balance is everything. So, let's recap. These 6 moves, Kegels, bridge, pelvic tilts, squats, bird dog, and the butterfly stretch, all come together to form a well-rounded, powerful routine to strengthen and support your pelvic muscles. But remember, real progress comes from consistency, not perfection. Aim to practice these for just 10 to 15 minutes a day, and always listen to your body. Your pelvic health affects your confidence, your posture, your freedom. You deserve to feel strong from the inside out. So, are you ready to take control and feel more connected to your body than ever before? If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with someone you care about. Your support means everything. Until next time, stay strong, And don't forget to breathe.